Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Toyota bZ4X to Toyota Connected Services, detailed guide step by step clearly. Ensure your Toyota bZ4X is parked and turned on. Locate the settings icon on the multimedia display screen. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. Scroll down to find Toyota Connected Services. Select Toyota Connected Services to open the connection options. Ensure you have an active internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. If prompted, create a Toyota account or sign in to your existing account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account registration or login process. Once logged in, select Connect to Vehicle to start the pairing. Your vehicle's identification number may be needed, located in the owner's manual if necessary. Follow the prompts to input your vehicle's identification number. After entering the identification number, confirm the vehicle details displayed on the screen. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed with the connection. The system will now attempt to connect your vehicle to Toyota Connected Services. Wait for the confirmation message indicating a successful connection. Once connected, explore the available features and services offered. You can now use your connected services for a more enhanced driving experience. If needed, refer to the user manual for additional support and troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.